our M book, and it's called Monkey's Miserable Monday. So we're going to be listening for the sound, and that sound is letter M. Here we go. Monkey is in a bad mood. He woke up late and now he must hurry or he'll miss the school bus. This Monday morning is off to a miserable start, Monkey mutters. The bus will be here in a few minutes, but Monkey can't find any socks that match. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. At breakfast, Monkey spills the milk. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters as he mops up the mess. Monkey has misplaced his lunch money, so he must make a sandwich. But there's no lunch meat, only mustard. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. It is snowing outside. Monkey can't find his mittens anywhere. What a miserable Monday, cried Monkey. Monkey looks over his math homework. He sees 2 mistakes. What a miserable Monday, said Monkey. Monkey runs out of the door to catch the bus. Whoops! He tripped on the mat. Uh-oh. All of his marbles roll out of his bag. Monkey is mad. I hate Mondays, Monkey moans. Monkey's mother comes to the door. What's the matter, my little monkey? Monkey's mother makes him a mug of hot cocoa with mini marshmallows. Then she mixes up a batch of maple muffins, Monkey's favorite. Monkey spends the rest of his morning drawing meadows and mountains with his magic markers. What a marvelous Sunday, says Monkey. And it is. Here are some of our M words in our picture. Maybe you can help me find some. Remember, M says Do you see any M words? What about monkey and muffin? How cool! Do you see any more? What about his mug or magnet? That one wasn't in our story, was it? How awesome! Let me know if you find any more. Have a great day.